Hi, love.
I love you. We made it.
Columns underneath the Bentley dome. Over with a pen in the heart of Rome. Coleus in purple with the laurel on. Every quest he lives is legend by dawn. Spill the wine, spill the secrets. Catch the Colosseum glances. Ink on pages by the fire. A fucking million.
First road trip ever.
We're going to, first stop, Seacliff Bridge.
Yes,
Look
sir.
at the signs, almost up.
Good morning, everyone! Kakarating lang namin sa first stop. So, first stop is Seacliff Bridge, yung pangalan. Today is our first ever road trip with my fiancé. It's a South Coast road trip. So, South Coast of New South Wales. So, pupunta kami dito sa Seacliff Bridge, Wollongong, Kiama, Berry, Gerringong. And how many hours drive ba, Lovey, from Sydney? Para lang ma-visualize nila.
Ang Seacliff Bridge?
From Sydney to Seacliff Bridge.
1 hour.
Yan. So, this is just 1 hour away, guys. Itong Seacliff Bridge, yung first stop. Pero, later on, syempre, lalayo pa pagpunta na tayong Wollongong and the other spots pa. So, nag-hike kami, guys. Tamang way kaya to, love. Ba't parang puro dahon? Oh, nakakatakot.
Kaya?
Tunay ba? Dito?
May small trail.
Sige. Yeah.
Careful lang mo. Yung head mo. Masyado nang liblib doon.
Ano sabi mo lang?
Guys, let's cancel na lang. Tignan nyo kaming papasukin.
Let's go, let's go.
Sorry, mahal.
No, it's okay.
Rube Hargrave Park.
Ah, yan, 1 minute drive?
You wanna try the coffee?
Yes, sir. I like it. Yung hazelnut. Guys, andito na kami sa park and according sa TikTok, ito yung route papunta sa Lookout.
You could go that way para hindi super steep.
So around 10 minutes walk daw, guys, papunta doon sa Lookout. Yeah, I think easier naman yung daan dito compared to sa first. I love you! Isa to sa mga hard part. Madulas siya actually and then puro mud yung rope. We made it! Yan, ito yung Seacliff Bridge. We made it! Huwag kayo magsuot ng white shoes dito. Mali ko. Hindi ko naisip na may mga muddy areas nga pala. Oh, yung white shoes ko. Though, my bad din.
Pero, it's alright. It's a nice experience and ayos yung binyag.
Nabinyagan! So, there's this breakfast place, guys, na gusto namin matry. Filipino fusion breakfast place. Papunta na kami din ngayon.
Karaji.
So, Raji.
Kamusta ang ating Seacliff Bridge?
Maganda yung view. Though challenging ang hike. Masaya yung hike. Gusto ko yung mga ganung hike actually. Gawa tayo more
Sige.
next time. Dito kami sa Tauraji Beach.
Gusto mo mag-antay? Big busog platter para may tapa, tocino, and longganisa.
Finally, we're gonna eat brekkie.
Diba?
Wow.
Tocino.
Do you want some vinegar or
Yes.
Mahilig ako maglagay ng vinegar sa tapa.
Or I wanna try it by itself.
Sige. Saan mo nagay vinegar plus ketchup sa tapa? Sarap mo. Hello! Andito kami ngayon sa Wollongong.
Hi, love. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Andito kami sa Wollongong Lighthouse and Harbor. It's a nice sunny day.
Yes, sir. Look at the Wollongong Beach and the lighthouse.
I wanna show you too. So this is my lobby in Wollongong. Lighthouse, harbor, and si Lieutenant James Cook ay nagpass daw dito. Back in the car.
Turn right.
And yung ways na yon, ako pumili. Yung dog na voice. On the way to Kayama Blowhole. Let's go!
Let's go.
Where are you?
We're in Kayama Harbor.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Merci.
Ganda ng blowhole.
Si.
So ganda.
Hey! Yeah.
Ito na.
Ang ganda ng Kayama blowhole. Tapos sakto yata, malakas kasi yung waves today. Kaya talagang nag-take away kami ng food dito sa Kayama. Yan. Itong sandwich. Mukhang masarap guys. So ito ay Japanese mayo egg sandwich. And may drinks din as well. So now we're heading to Jaringong, Biri Beach. Magpipiknik kami doon. Andito na kami sa Jaringong. So ito guys yung sikat sa social media na street kasi sobrang ganda ng view. Sandwich and drinks as well.
Look at her.
Ay, picnic, picnic, picnic. We're in it's very, very pretty in here. Masarap. Wow. Where are you?
Very nice donut.
Excited to try berry donuts.
It's hot. Look. Hold it.
Dinner sa Kayama Little Lake.
Over the clouds, this life belongs to me. Soaking in warmth down to my dangling feet. Fairy dust in hand, love's in high demand.